Carbonara, one Italian classic, but a vegetarian version. For those who don't want to eat meat, we use mushrooms instead of the cheek of the pork. We will play with different consistency of mushrooms, but same principles of the carbonara. Let's go! Amazing. Pecorino, the creaminess of the egg, really amazing, guys. I hope you appreciated this recipe. I will leave here a link for another Italian pasta recipe, and see you next week for another recipe. Thanks for your time, and ciao a tutti.